Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers. Welcome to Amafenzo TV, Rico Artambo, welcome Abafana. I'm joined by a legend, it's Tyson.
Shabuze.
I'm not Rutmani.
Yeah, talk.
Yeah, sure. Rutmani, ngicela i-182 man for Machita. Uzizwe kanjani performance yabo? Ngada, welcome.
I think for me now, Machita pushile, like after Ubona first game, the way his first game badlalenga khona, and you need to take in consideration that 90% man of the team and it's their first time playing in the World Cup, but after that, man, the recovery after second game, also in the third game, man, I think we should be proud of the South Africa. Man.
Yeah, for Machita.
For Machita, definitely.
The player of the tournament bekuba man for it. Like out to pay squad so what every time magadlala, be keep his side.
I think at obviously, like each choice Machita onkumuntu man, it will be umbogazi on top. But also man, you need to look at Machita njengabo email yabona mangena ulokuzana urile. Urile tema kangena mfethu game yavele yashintsha utime yabona. So I think man, but other than that man, like the whole team man did well. Man.
Yeah, ngiyathola man. Final message to Machita nje straight angabheka le interview ngiyamthola.
I think for me now, time is we've done it, man. We've tried to qualify for a World Cup, man, and see ourselves in this stage, And for them, man, to really achieve it, man, I think, man, we're really proud of them, And I hope they stay together, man. Also, and personally, man, I hope Hugo man aravaya, so that we have this continuity, so Tony Koye team, We've seen with other countries, man, with team after such big tournaments like Yapizize, but TF14, man, going forward, the under 20, under 23 man, to be inspired by how much that the way they've done. And you look at the age group man around the team, I think there's still a longevity to stay together in the team.
Sure. Thank you.